look at Kaspa. Thought I'd show you a couple things going on here with the market. Looks like we might be reaching a bottom here. We have some bullish divergences on some multiple time frames. All right. First off, on Bitcoin. All right. If we zoom in on this thing, a couple things I want to show you here. All right. On a weekly, this thing is it's right at a really good support area. Next one, right where it's at right now, right around 60,400, 60,500. There's support all through here. I can show you this right here, and this is on a weekly chart. Okay, right through here. Let me just make a square of it here. Right? It actually goes right up to here. All right, you did very, very good support all through here. You have all kinds of closing candles right out through here. So anyway, what I wanted to show you here on the let's go in on the 8-hour time frame here. We got some bullish divergences starting to show up here. All right, let's go in on the 4. All right, there you can see it. We got, pull this up a little bit higher here. All right, on price, it's hard to get them adjusted here. You have this low and you have a lower low on price. Look how much higher. Look at this low and look how much higher this low is on the RSI. All right, so you got some bullish divergences here. That's on the 4-hour, the 8-hour. You do have bullish divergence there. Also, not as prevalent as the 4-hour. And on the 1-hour. Now look at this. I mean, look at this thing on 1 hour. You got this low here. You do have a lower low, but look at it on the RSI on here. Look at this. That one. Then you got this one here, and this one here is still higher. So you got major bullish divergences on the 1 and 4 hour for Bitcoin coming right into this support area. So you could be getting a bounce on this thing pretty soon. As far as the you do have the 1 hour coming down on here, but just because it's doing it on there, believe me, doesn't mean that it has to on price. You have the 4-hour. 4-hour can turn up here at any time. All right, I'd like to see it hold this low, obviously, for these divergences to play out. Look at the 4-hour bullish divergence. Got this low here, lower low on price, higher low on the RSI. All right, the 8-hour. The 8 hours reset here, ready to go. 12-hour, 12 hours on the floor. So does it mean that the Bitcoin is gonna go? It does. All you can do is look at the signs. We'll see if it goes or not. If you take a Fibonacci here, it's right in a prime spot here. All right, that's on a 12-hour. The daily. The low is out here on the daily also. You can see that thing is it's right on a 702. All right, so if it's going to go, this would be a good spot for it. Also, Kaspa is doing the same thing here. All right, if we come over here, I want to show you over here. Let's first go on the 1 hour. Pull this up. All right, show you the RSI. You can see down here. All right. See price, you got this low and a lower low. The RSI down here, this is the 1 hour. You got this low and a higher low on the RSI. All right, that's the 1 hour. Let's look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour, this low and a lower low. Okay, you're let's see, no bullish divergence there on the 4 hour. Okay, looks like the 1 hour, probably the 30-minute and the 15-minute. Yeah, 30, 15. You got bullish divergences up through the 1 hour. But as soon as we get out to the 4 hour here, no, I don't see any. It is getting extremely oversold. It's down to 23. Okay, down there. So out on the 8 hour, let's take a look here. And look at these. These are all on the floor here. No bullish divergence there on the 8 hour, but that thing is at a 5.8 and a 5.5. It is turning bullish. The 12 hour at a 0 and at a 2.55. All right, so it is getting very, very oversold. If we come out here on a weekly, I'm going to show you something else also. You see this white trend line? We have come back to hit that. All right, this thing started down here. You have touches through here. You have a touch right here. And this thing has come back to touch it right there. And also out on a weekly, if you take a fib from this low here, swing it up to our high here, we are right at a 786. There we go, right there. All right, right between the 702 and 786 here. All right, perfect, perfect area if you're going to see a bounce. All right, and this is also a major weekly support. And yeah, and a monthly. All right, you have multiple closing candles here on a monthly. You have a close here, a close here. You have, you know, a few wicks through here, but them closing candles are the things that really anywhere from 13.7, you know, basically up to 14 cents is very, very good support. All right, so definitely want to see Kaspa hold this. Not only that, you don't want to see it lose. Take out this low, because then it loses the trend line, right? Then yeah, then I could see, you know, a much more bigger pullback happening. But this, like I said, this 13, what is this, 13.9? You know, you definitely want to see that hold. Okay, that is a very, very crucial area, and see this thing start to work towards the backside. If we get a fib on here, you know, you're going to want to start seeing it take back these Fibonacci levels and work its way back up. It's a good start, though. You know, there's some bullish divergence going on here. Looking like a possible low is in, and we definitely want to see it hold this low, right at that 13.9. Definitely want to see that hold on there. If we zoom in here, let's take a look and see what these candles are doing. Got the 4 hour. You know, if you take we're looking for a start of a move here. All right, so far that is holding on at 786 on the 4 hour. The 1 hour, boy, you're right on that thing. You know, the 1 hour, like I said, you got this bullish divergence playing here. Let's look at the 15 and the 30. You got the 15 minute just riding right along that 786. You got the 30 minute. 30 minute has just turned up. You know, so yeah, you definitely like to see it hold right where it's at. And if we take a look here, if this was a fifth wave down in here, if it was, yeah, there's the 1618 right where this thing wicked and ended up, right? So it could be a bottom, guys. Definitely, absolutely could be. We will see what happens. We'll see how this plays out. Right now, as I'm doing this video, the price is at 14.27. All right, so see what happens there as the day goes on. But you can see the 4 hour starting to spin to the upside here. And like I said, that 8 hour is on the bottom. The 12 hour is on the bottom. The daily still coming. Well, the daily is almost reset. Okay, your 3 day and your 5 day. That 3 day is bearish. Okay, the 5 day. The 5 day is actually bearish. All right, so you're definitely going to want to hold this area that we're at right now. All right, for sure. You have a monthly support at 13.7, 13.74. That's a monthly. That would be the next one down if this one fails. But you don't want to see this one fail because it's right on this trend line. Okay, this, you know, trend lines, I don't know. I like them for some things. I like them on high time frames for support areas. And on the hourly and stuff like that, they get broken and violated too much. They really do. But these higher time frames, you know, they seem to respect them areas, right? So if we ever needed a bounce, we need it from here. For sure. Okay, so keep an eye on that. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. I'll be back with you very soon. We'll see what happens here. See if Kaspa can hold on here and start working its way back up. Have a great day, everybody.